How to create simple small in Unreal Engine 5. In our scene, we have this simple small, and I will delete it. And here we also have the small textures, and I right click and select Niagara System, and I select Fountain, and I change the name. And open it. The next thing I gonna do delete some things we don't need it, and we delete gravity. And the next things I want to increase bounce rate, and I increase this value. And the next I will change this speed. And maybe I increase it more. And the next one, I will change this the sprite sign. Yeah, I think it's okay. And next, I will add the scale sprite sign. Yeah, you can see this effect. I think is better than before. You also can add the key. I think it's better now. The next, I gonna do change the sprite render material. I will scale down this window, and I drag it up. And here, I found this material. I will copy this one. I drag into our small news folder and copy here. And I open it. And next, Control Space, and I will drag small texture into here. I will add the multiply. Hold down M and left click, and we connect to multiply and connect to opacity, and Control D to copy another textures, Control D again to copy another multiply, and we do the same thing and connect to multiply and connect to emissive color. Apply. And I change this name. And we index the Niagara System again. And we select our new material. And yeah, we have the small effect now. But here, I want to increase bounce rate. And maybe it's 500. Yeah, I think it's better now. I also want to change the sprite sign. Yeah, it's perfect. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.